In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a package with Royal Mail. So first, of course, pack your item securely in a box or envelope. Next, go to the Royal Mail website at royalmail.com and from here, click on Send an Item. Now here, choose from the options of what do you want to send. You can see also here the maximum dimensions for each item or package. So click on your preferred size of the package. Also enter in the size, weight, and destination to see your delivery options. Then next is click on the continue button. Now here choose your service like first class, second class, tracked, or special delivery. Then next is press continue. Now here enter in your destination address or basically where your package is going. Also add in the recipient name or the name of the person who's gonna receive the package. Of it could also be a company, so enter in the company name in this section. Then next is click on the continue button. Now add in your address on where the package is coming from. Also add in the sender name or company name. Also, you will be asked to choose if you are able to print your label at home. So choose if yes or no. Then, would you like to drop off your item or have it collected? Then next is click on Add to Basket. Now here you should see the details of your package. So now you can start paying online and print the label at home. Or you can also choose QR code at Royal Mail Shop if you don't have a printer. Make sure that you attach the label to your parcel. And to finalize payment online, add in your email address and billing details. And of course, make sure that you go through and read the terms and conditions and tick the box beside it. And of course, select a payment method and click on confirm and pay to finalize the transaction. Now, once done, you just drop the parcel or the package off at the post office or Royal Mail drop off point. Some services also offer collection from your door and make sure that you keep your receipt or tracking number so you can follow the delivery. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!